Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a video on Google Form. So for that, we just need to open Google Form. After opening it, first you just need to create a blank form. So here you can see an option called blank form. Click on that. So for removing a video, here I'm just going to add a new video. So you can see that I had just added. So for removing the video, here you can see the video had been added here. So on the top left corner of this video, you can see three dots. Click on that. And from here as the last option, you can see here remove. Click on that. And now you can see that you had been removed the video on Google Form. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.